Hello everyone, in this video we have been given x to the power 3 plus 4x minus 8 equal 0. Now we are going to find the value of x to the power 7 plus 64 x to the power 2. Answer: x to the power 3 plus 4x minus 8 equal 0. Then x to the power 3 equal 8 minus 4x. Squaring on both sides, then we get x to the power 3 whole to the power 2 equal 8 minus 4x whole to the power 2. A minus b whole square equal a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then we get x to the power 6 equal 8 whole square minus 2 into 8 into 4x plus 4x whole square. Then x to the power 6 equal 64 minus 64x plus 16x square. Multiplying both sides by x, then we get x into x to the power 6 equal x into 64 minus 64x plus 16x square. Then x to the power 7 equal 64x minus 64x square plus 16x cube. X to the power 7 plus 64x square equal 64x plus 16x cube. Then x to the power 7 plus 64x square equal 16 common, then 16 into 4x plus x cube. Given x cube plus 4x minus 8 equal 0. Then 4x plus x cube equal 8. Then x to the power 7 plus 64x square equal 16 into 8. Then x to the power 7 plus 64x square equal 128. Thus, our answer x to the power 7 plus 64x square equal 128.